Alright, so Serena, here we're gonna work on what putting and what the club actually does for you. In putting, what you're trying to do is roll the ball towards the hole and make sure it goes in. And I'm gonna teach you what part of the club there is. This is obviously what's this part called? This part right here. Club. There you go. So that's the club head. This is shaft, or some people call it the neck, and this is the grip, right? The grip is obviously called the grip because you grip it there. And then head, and what's this part right here? It's a club face.
Face.
There you go. It's a club face, okay? So the reason we call it the face is obviously this is where you hit the ball with, but also it kind of correlates to our body as it is. So you're trying to walk towards somewhere. Let's say I'm trying to walk towards that way. And if I'm facing the other way, how am I gonna walk that way? Like, it's not gonna be really easy to control myself. So where you face is where you go. You don't walk anywhere else. You try to walk towards or run towards where you're looking at. The same thing with the putter. The hole's right there, the face is facing that way. How are you gonna putt it that way? Even if you try to hit it that way, it's going nowhere. Nowhere close to the hole. So make sure every time you set up for a putt, the face, that's why we have a line over here. This is where it's facing. Make sure the face faces towards the hole. And then you set up. Then you just go ahead and putt. Goes towards the hole. Okay? So you gotta make sure that you set up correctly with the face facing towards the hole, back, forth, with a pendulum stroke, and it'll go in. Okay, so let me see how you do it. Obviously, make sure the face faces where it's facing. The tongue twister. I knew exactly where it was coming to. I knew exactly where it was coming to because the face was facing over here. A little left. Make sure it faces right over here, back of the cup. There you go. And give it a good stroke. There you go. See? That easy. As long as the club face is facing towards the hole, you'll have a better chance of going in.